Overall good product at this price. Well, I live in a rented place alone on 4th floor. Amazon guys called me and they bring the fridge on 4th floor. They were quite supportive. The fridge was great so far. The guy even checked it for me and said please check if any issue you have. He also said that we have 10 days replacement if any issue occur. The next day the guy from Whirlpool company came and inspected the fridge and asked if you have any questions do let me know. I am really amazed by the Amazon facility. I have purchased many things from Amazon and everything is good. I would recommend for this fridge if you are looking for a good appliance. The plastic inside the fridge looks cheap, but in this price, I think you don't have to think much. It has only been 1 week I am using the fridge, so will update the condition. Smiley face. Ekta Gupta, Delhi. Product is very good and very good is packing. Everyone also Whirlpool is the most branded company in refrigerator, very useful of my family and cooling, it is awesome. Best for small family. I love it. Using it since 2018, going great so far. And doorstep delivery from Amazon also. Got it for 10,500 INR, worth every penny. Even in the market the lowest 190 LTRS refrigerator cost around 13,000. Would like to thank Amazon for prompt service. Installation done by Whirlpool. Total worth of amount. Packaging was very good, timely delivery, easy to install but need some assistance from knowledgeable person like Whirlpool product installation person, but all in one. Very good product. Overall the fridge is good and cools well. Pros: good looking and compact, easy to install fridge, has light sufficient for a small family for 2 to 3 members. Ice tray is provided by feel quite large ice pieces. Cons: not automatic defrosting. Need to press a button every 3 to 4 days to defrost. The light bulb got fused within a month of operation. Called the customer care and had to get the bulb replaced. I was told that it is due to voltage fluctuation and need to get a stabilizer. So had to buy a stabilizer and spent another 2k. No inbuilt stabilizer. Delivered product safely. The product which I ordered is 2020 year model. 1. Installation is simple. 2. As I noticed other comments required stabilizer to avail warranty. 3. Color of product is accurate as shown in the pics but shines a bit, that looks more value to the product. 4. My parents are very happy with dark finishing of 2020 model. 5. Thank you Whirlpool and Amazon for showcasing the good products. Product is value for money. It was not fit my requirements, so I wanted to replace this one. But it had not been replaced by Amazon. Very bad return policy. Nice packing and good refrigeration feedback being given after 1 month of service. Best in this price tag. I bought this in 10450. Timely delivery made me happy, and on top of that visit of Whirlpool service agent who gave us brief description of the product. He shared phone number to call if in case of any issue. Product is also really awesome. Love Amazon, love Whirlpool. It's good frizz for this price, good cooling, fast ice is brilliant, everything is good. I'm so happy the way Amazon delivery person supported and product was wonderful. Nice color. Very good product. Product quality 4. 5/5 installation -5/5 after use satisfaction -4/5 delivery -5/5 overall purchase 4/4 amazing product. And the exchange facility that has been provided by Amazon India was too good and prompt. Nothing to say more. If you are thinking of buying a fridge for a family of 2 to 4 members, you must go for it. And you will not regret. Cause it will be a worth purchase. Thanks Amazon India for the overall services. I like the product, and it is worth buying it at a price of 11,500 rupees. However, only 2 legs is provided and other 2 is missing. The company should look into this matter, as majority people also said the same thing. Although, it's been 1 month I'm using it. There is no problem yet and the cooling is excellent. Good item. Item delivery also good. शुक्रिया Amazon. Whirlpool बहुत अफोर्डेबल अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. मैंने दिवाली पे मेरी माँ उनको गिफ्ट दिया. Only BZ of Amazon, Whirlpool Access Credit Card Team. THANK you all. Good product but little bit delicate. Good cooling effect. Ice cubes are formed within 30 minutes. Good product for this price. Super look, best for middle class, low quality products. Good product. Superb. %100 recommended. I like it this product but please make with handle for open. This product is amazing. I loved it. Whirlpool refrigerator very good product. Amazon delivery fast and easy install. Thanks Amazon and fast cooling. Nice product and value for money. Value for money item with good warranty and all. You need to install by yourself but very easy. Just need to plug in and put the wheel. Value of money, way good. Before getting my product, I was a bit afraid of the quality BT. After I got my product at home, I feel satisfied. If you are thinking of buying this product, then just go for it. Key and manual missing. Packaging normal, not bad, no good. Overall value for money and nice product. You must buy. Good quality, nice product. Very good product for money. Value for money. This refrigerator is value for money 10,790 rupees per which I paid. It's just get chilled in 20 to 30 minutes. Superb look and great interior are the key factors. Amazon delivery is on time and comfortable. Click link in description for more reviews.